3, 2, 1. And we have ignition.
Oh yeah, there's always something pretty cool about a rocket launch. Early this morning, the orbital ATK Antares rocket started its 2-day trip to the International Space Station. It's a cargo resupply mission. It took off from a NASA facility in Virginia. Now, what makes this launch even cooler is that it's actually carrying a creation from Arizona. It's a space experiment devised by a group of 5 high schoolers from Gilbert. And as Liana Enriquez is here to explain, these teens actually won a national competition for the right to do this.
Yeah, these teens only had 2 days and a total of 5 hours to design that winning project during a space camp earlier this year. They got to travel to Washington, D.C. to witness their brainchild take off into space. I just spoke with the team captain, who is the only girl on the team.
Incredible. It was so cool. I was just standing with my mouth open like, is this real?
Abby Yonker is only 15 and a sophomore in high school, but says today she had the experience of a lifetime watching her group's project launch. The winning project was essentially testing the concept of growing plants in space, with the goal of one day being able to inhabit uninhabitable planets. They grew microclovers. This is their project, housed inside this 4x4 container. And this morning, they got to see their design launch into space.
It's just crazy to think that something that we thought of, that we put our devotion and hard work into, was being launched into space right in front of us. I looked around at my teammates and they had the same expression I did. They were just in awe, their mouths hanging open, just staring at this cool fireball that lit up the clouds. It's incredible to think that our little microclovers are now orbiting the Earth.
Yeah, it is incredible. Now, their microclovers are scheduled to arrive at the International Space Station early Tuesday morning. They will be able to watch that happen, and she will also be getting data updates on how their project is performing. Live in the newsroom, Liana Enriquez for Arizona's Family.